Okay, you've been in an accident, and guess what happens typically within a day or so? The phone rings. That person is more likely than not the adjuster for the insurance company investigating that accident. My name is Mark Peacock. I do personal injury law. I'm going to show you how to respond to that phone call in a way that will protect your case. Otherwise, you could be very easily falling into a trap where they're going to take advantage of something that you innocently say that could destroy your claim. Okay, here's the hard truth. Insurance companies are not your friends, and their adjusters and anybody that's working on their behalf, they've been highly trained to do what? To be nice and to get information out of you. They might offer you a quick settlement, but you want to be very careful with that. They typically like to hit you with that kind of stuff before you've been represented, before you've had an opportunity to get proper care and treatment for your injuries, before you've even been able to assess where you're at after an accident. These tactics are very common, and they're designed to help them. So what should you do? Number one, do not give a recorded statement. Number two, do not admit to, hey, it's your fault. The best thing to do is, if you get a lawyer, is have the lawyer present with you when you're giving a statement. You actually want to file a lawsuit right away and get the claim going formally. Don't wait, it won't help you. Once the claim is filed formally and you file a lawsuit, then you give what's called a deposition, not a statement. Okay, even saying something as innocent like, I'm okay, on the scene, you want to avoid saying that. And if you say something like that, especially in a statement, what's going to happen is if that winds up in the accident report and or in a statement given to an insurance company, I guarantee you they will twist that to use against you. Don't give them a statement unless you're being represented by an attorney. Here's what you can do to protect yourself. If you get a phone call from an adjuster, you do not have to talk to that adjuster. The best thing to do is retain an attorney and allow the attorney to handle the communications with the insurance company on the other side. Then they'll know, by law, they're not allowed to talk to you anymore. There's an old golden rule. The more they know, the worse off you are. The less that they know, the better off you are. What you want to do is give them as less as you possibly can. Allow the attorney to handle the communication and the flow of information. It will benefit you in the long run, and it will benefit you in the short run. My name is Mark Peacock. I've handled tens of thousands of these cases over the years. The best thing you can possibly do is to hire somebody like me to handle your case for you. And it'll be a much easier, a much better, a much more profitable outcome than trying to do something like this on your own or relying on the insurance company from the other side. And the bottom line is, if you've been injured in any kind of environment, it's important, especially nowadays, to reach out. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'd encourage you to look at some of the other videos we posted. We'd ask you to like and subscribe if you can. And if you have any questions, feel free to look at the form below, fill it out. We're more than happy to answer any of your questions.